You guys gotta admit, no matter if you're collecting sneakers or you guys are collecting streetwear, the best thing that can happen for you is if you cop for retail. Is if you can get that Supreme box logo for retail, you can get that rare pair of Jordans for retail, and you guys don't need to pay resale prices, you guys don't need to spend extra money to get these things. I've been doing that for kind of a while now. I've never gotten into bots, I've never gotten into add to cart services or things like that. I've just been doing everything manually, and you know what? It's possible. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I cop specifically, and how you guys can do it too without actually breaking the bank on anything. So stay tuned if you guys want to find out how to cop Supreme for retail or how to cop your favorite pair of Jordans. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my personal tips and tricks on how I cop sneakers and streetwear. And it's not that hard, guys. It's actually pretty easy. And trust me, you guys do not need bots to cop these things. It is possible to do it manually. I'll show you guys how. But before we get into it though, I do want to give a shout out to today's sponsor, Dashlane. Dashlane is a company that makes identity and payments super simple and secure. Basically what they do is they provide you a tool that generates strong passwords, and then it stores these passwords and autofills them into all of your devices for any website that you guys visit on the internet. That autofill is the key word there, because I'm going to be going into that a lot in this video. I know it sounds kind of weird. How is this tech company going to help me cop Supreme, how to cop sneakers? You guys would be surprised. I've been using it for a couple weeks now, and it's actually been copying like every Supreme release, not just some. Every release I'm getting something, and it's because of that autofill and that password feature. So yeah, just stay tuned, I'll show you guys how it works. Now, as a disclaimer to moving forward in this video, I want to let you guys know that nothing is a guarantee. These are tips and tricks that I use, but everything comes down to probability, and to be honest, a lot of the time it comes down to luck. Just because it might not work the first time doesn't mean it won't work the second or third or fourth time. You guys just gotta stick with it, and eventually you'll hit something that's very profitable, or just something that you really want. And for seasoned veterans, some of these tips might not work for you, but bear with me, there will be stuff that you guys want to hear in this video. Anyway, the first tip that I do have for you guys is to enter every single raffle that you can if you want that hype shoe. Sounds easy, right? But for the most part, most people think that you can only cop a shoe on sneakers or on the Adidas store or on Yeezy Supply. But that's actually not the case at all. There's actually a lot of websites that you can go to every single release for hype shoes to try to get a chance to cop for retail. Some of those websites like N Clothing or Sneakers and stuff, which I use like pretty much every single drop, because those two are like the easiest to enter. It takes like literally a minute at most, especially if you're using Dashlane and it autofills everything for you. The best place to find all of this raffle information is honestly soullinks.com. I really think that site is very good, because it does list all of the raffles, and you guys just click on those links and it takes you guys exactly where you need to go to. So enter every single raffle, guys. That's the basic one. Let's get into more advanced stuff. So the second tip that I have is, if you guys do not have a Twitter, go make a Twitter right now, please. The reason why is because sneaker Twitter is literally the best place to find out about new drops, old drops, or re-releases. And this is super important if you guys are trying to cop for retail or trying to get steals, because Instagram is not going to show you stuff like, oh, these shoes are just dropping right now, go. It doesn't work like that. Twitter is pretty much the only place where you can get this information instantly, and that's why it's important, because there's restocks and stuff all the time. If you guys want that pair of Yeezys, you missed out on Foot Locker, you missed out on Yeezy Supply or Adidas, most of the time there will be a restock, and the place you can find that restock information as soon as it goes live is Twitter. So some of the Twitter handles that I follow are actually on screen over here, and a lot of people don't know about certain like Twitter handles. So yeah, just between you and me, these are the ones to follow. So definitely check these out. It will help you guys. It's super important. Seconds matter. Seconds matter so much in this game. Like if you miss that restock by 10 seconds, you're not gonna get anything. So you have to be very quick. You have to have everything in place. And again, we'll talk about that in a bit, because you want autofill, and I'll show you how you can use that autofill. So my third tip is to keep everything updated all the time. I was going back and forth on this third tip, because it seems like everybody knows, like, keep your stuff updated, you know, keep sneakers updated, keep your Adidas app updated, keep all of your credit card information and stuff updated. But it slips people's minds all the time. Like, people are wondering why they're refreshing on sneakers and they're like, I can't find that drop, it just released, I can't find it. It's because your sneakers app wasn't updated, dude. Have it updated every single time. Just check it every single day. It's so easy and it's so simple, but people overlook it every single time, and that's why they get messed up on drops. So that's why I'm telling you guys now, update everything. Make sure all of your information is up to date, because again, seconds matter. So if you guys are off by a couple seconds, you guys forgot, oh man, I changed my credit card, that's right, you're gonna miss that drop. Like, there's no chance after that. It's not difficult, it's very easy, and these tips are meant to be easy for you guys. But trust me, having everything updated will help you cop drops. So my fourth tip, and if you guys have followed along this long through these other boring tips where you guys are like, that's so simple, I do that all the time. Let's get into the one that you guys came for, copping Supreme manually. I see it all the time, like it's impossible to cop on Supreme, don't even try. You're gonna get over there and you're gonna miss out on everything. It sells out instantly. I don't even know if there's inventory on there. And guys, that's not the case. Like there's gonna be items that will be super hot and will probably go in 5 seconds. But there's a lot of items that you guys are able to cop, and they're still very hyped items. So let me show you guys how I do this. All right, so here we are on the Supreme homepage. This is what it's gonna look like every single time you guys come to Supreme. What you guys are gonna do is obviously click on shop, and it pulls up this page right here. So when you guys get to this page, you guys wanna click view all, and when you get to view all, this is gonna show you guys everything that's available. But most of the time, you guys are only gonna wanna look for the new stuff. So you guys are gonna go to new over here, and obviously this is not a drop time right now, so it doesn't matter, like you don't need to be very quick. But what I like to do when it's on drop day, for me it's 6 a.m. I'm on there at 5:58 getting everything ready, getting everything set up, and then at 5:59 and 45 seconds, that's when I start refreshing, but not super fast. You just need to refresh a couple times just so that the page will load. So basically what you do is just click on new over and over, just like that, kind of like easy going time. And then you'll see everything change on the page. And once everything changes on the page, that's when you need to kind of have some wherewithal on what to click, what you guys are going for. So because everything's sold out and it's not a drop date right now, we're gonna use these shoes as an example. So basically what you would do is click the new, scroll down to your shoes, click that really fast, add to cart, whatever size you guys want, check out now. You guys can see how fast my fingers are moving already, right? That's exactly how fast you guys need to be, maybe even faster. And then this is the part that jams everybody up right here. The checkout screen. The checkout screen is very important, guys. This is pretty much the only part that you guys need to get right in order to cop this stuff. And again, it comes down to seconds, and seconds matter. So if you guys were trying to type in everything like independently on your own, you're not gonna get there in time, man. There are bots that are trying to attack that system, so you guys need to be fast, insanely fast. And the only way you can be insanely fast is if you have autofill of some kind. And the best autofill for that is Dashlane. So let me show you guys what Dashlane does. So once you guys log into your Dashlane, it comes up on your internet browser, and it's super simple from there. You guys can see like this little icon right here, that's the Dashlane icon. So you click on that, and it has everything set up for you. So right here is my identity. You click on this, single click, and it pops up everything. It populates every single thing for you, and that saves so much time, guys. Rather than me clicking a million times, entering all of this stuff, typing at the speed of light, I can actually do that by clicking on the Dashlane icon and making just one click. And so you guys are gonna say, okay, what about the credit card payments? Dashlane got you covered, man. It's an all-in-one system, and it also does payments, which is insane. So you guys would click on the number over here, and as you can see, Dashlane pops up your credit card. So you click on that, populate. You click on this, I have read, and you click process payment, and you're done. You're done, dude. It's so easy. Rather than trying to type in every single thing, trying to figure it out on your own, you can click on 2 clicks, just 2 clicks. Basically just 2 clicks of Dashlane, and you guys have Supreme auto checked out. It took maybe 3-4 seconds, and you guys are most likely going to be able to cop whatever you guys are trying to cop, and that is awesome. And so that leads me into the 5th tip, which is basically you do not need bots to get releases. And it seems like everybody's thinking everybody has a bot system, I'm never gonna have a chance to cop because I'm not gonna pay for a bot, I don't know how to use it. So if you guys don't know what bots are, it's basically a program that you guys have to buy for sometimes people sell it for like $300. Sometimes there's bots that go for $1,500, $2,000, which is absolutely ridiculous, man. If you're trying to cop for retail and you think you need to invest into that, it's like, what's the point? You might as well just cop at resale. But it's because people want to cop in so much quantity, and they're thinking that's the only way it's possible. And yes, that's the only way possible if you guys want to try to cop like 50 pairs. But for the most part, you're probably not trying to cop 50 pairs. You probably just want one personal, or maybe just want to resell one item. And that's okay, guys, and you don't need a bot for that. The other problem with bots is that you guys need to buy all of this extra stuff, like these proxies, these servers and stuff. And it just adds up. And then when you actually cop your 1 or 2 shoes, maybe you look at how much you paid for the proxies and how much you paid for the server, and you're like, wow, I basically bought these shoes for resale. And that is the problem with a lot of these guys. They don't understand. They get into this like mindset where everybody else is doing it, I need to do it or else I'm not gonna have a chance. Nah, man, you're kind of just digging your own grave, and you're just spending a lot of money that you don't really need to spend on. The other thing with that is bots don't work 100% of the time either. So if you buy all those proxies and servers and you don't even cop anything, you just lost money. You just lost money. You just actually spent like 100 or whatever money you spent to buy all of this stuff, and you copped 0 items. That's terrible. That's super sad. If I'm using Dashlane though, and I'm trying to cop Supreme and I don't cop anything, I lost $0. So I don't know. I think one is better than the other, but that's just me. Everything that I do to cop Supreme, that's everything that I do to cop Jordans or hyper release sneakers, and it's not difficult, like I said. It may seem basic, but that's the point. Like, you don't want something super complex or something hard to use, because your chances of getting it are probably gonna go down if you have to use that stuff. So keep it simple, and that's basically the best way to go. And I'm happy that the sponsor of today's video, Dashlane, keeps it very, very simple for not only myself, but hopefully all of you guys. Like I said, their autofill capabilities are freaking insane. You guys saw it firsthand in Supreme. That was fast. In addition with that, if you guys are trying to enter those end clothing or those sneakers and stuff raffles, if you guys have Dashlane set up, it can auto-populate all of that information into there as well, which is really nice because you guys are going to be entering end, or you guys are going to be entering sneakers and stuff all the time. So why not have a fast profile where you guys can enter everything very, very quickly? And for the most part, all of those features are actually free on Dashlane if you guys download it right now. If you guys do want to try to get dark web monitoring, or you guys want to have access to Dashlane not only on your computer, you guys also want to have it on your phone, which I highly recommend, because oftentimes you guys aren't going to be by a computer when a restock happens. You're probably going to be on your phone. So Dashlane actually has an app on there as well. And if you guys do get the premium version, which I think is only like $4.99 a month, you guys can have access to all of Dashlane services across all your devices. So if you guys are trying to cop that Yeezy restock and you guys only have your phone, Dashlane got you covered with that autofill. All of your information can be on there as well. It's super simple. So $4.99 a month versus $1,500 for a bot. Yeah, I don't know, you guys do the math. And again, if you guys just want the free features, that works perfectly fine as well. But you need to go to the description below and click on that link. Basically from there, it'll take you to Dashlane where you can download the app. Again, completely free. But if you guys do want to buy the premium version, which I highly recommend, then you can actually get 10% off your order by clicking that link as well. I don't know, it's an awesome trade-off. And again, thank you to Dashlane for sponsoring this video. And also thank you to you guys for helping me cop Supreme the last couple of weeks, man, because it has been so easy. So thank you for that. And if you guys are interested in all of that, link is in the description below. So anyway, guys, good luck on copying your Jordans. Good luck on copying your Supreme, those off-whites, whatever you guys are trying to get. I sincerely hope you guys get everything that you want on Supreme. Again, for certain releases, it will come down to luck and probability. But for the most part, you have just upped your odds greatly by watching this video. Anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!